What's going on, guys? So today it's me, your friendly neighborhood curly somewhat ginger friend. I'm working on my Fiat 850 Sport Spider again. Today I'm going to try to fix the radio. It kind of like turns on but not fully, so we're just going to pull it out and see if we see anything suspicious. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to start by, well, we could undo these screws. All the hardware in this car is super rusty. Although, so the owner before I had this car was this really friendly older fella who also ended up getting it from a friend. And he got it because his friend died of a stroke. It was very sad. Very nice old dude. So there's a bunch of stuff in this car that I didn't do. This radio being one of them. And the thing is the speakers make a noise, but this radio won't like actually turn on. And I've tried resetting it several times. Doesn't work. So I'm just gonna this perfecto. Okay. Okay, so it's out. It's not even. Okay. We are missing some connections here and here, huh? And we're missing a connection there, okay. Okay, so I'm finding something oddly peculiar. I don't know a lot about radios and I don't have the manual to this, but all these wires are labeled, they seem to be correct. But, I don't know how well you can see that. We're missing some connections here and here. But when I follow one of these red wires, it connects into the cigarette lighter. It's too dark in here for you to see what I don't know. I'm gonna plug the battery into the car. I'm gonna take out one of the plug wires that goes to the coil so I don't burn points. And then we're gonna go from there and see if I can get something out of this as I press the cigarette lighter. So okay, so here's the engine. So this is the coil, which basically like sends power to this. I'm going to unplug it because I'm gonna have the key on and I don't want it burning up my points. So that's why I'm doing that. Okay, so I got my keys. So battery's plugged in. Just see if so nothing. Okay, so if I release this, there's a reset. See, now there's light going into it. Okay. Hold this down. Okay, so nothing. Now I got these knobs over here, which one of them seem to be connected to. I don't know. I'm kind of curious as to why it doesn't want to turn on. Okay, so I'm going to take off this part now. Just see what we're dealing with. So I'm going to unplug this. Huh. Well, I don't want to take this whole panel out. I'm going to go through these wires one more time. Okay, guys, I made the most... Okay, so I was reading this. It just gives a little diagram. There's no fuse in there. Oh, no. Hold on. No fuse. It's empty. Now I'm wondering, is the other one like that? That one has a fuse. I need a fuse. Woo! Okay guys, we're gonna take a really quick trip to O'Reilly's, see if we can find a fuse, put it in, and see if it works. Wish me luck. Here it is, my Ford Focus 2015. Custom paint job because I had to fix a hole. She's a beauty. This is the inside. This is the inside here. So, little 5-speed transmission, nice radio. It's a little dusty right now. Start her up. It's a little cold outside. It's snowy. Just Dance. Turn that off. I love that music, but I don't get it copyrighted. Okay, as my grandpa would say, we're off like a herd of turtles. I don't know what that means to this day. Guys, it's time to grab the Coke Zero cup. That's good. That's good. Okay guys, I got some fuses. I really only need one. I also got a light because, you know, why would I make you guys just sit here in the dark? Okay. We're all Coke Zero'd up. Now it's time to try this out. So, here we go. I think the guys gave me the wrong one. Okay, so the fuses that they gave me are a little too big, and I really don't want to fuck up those connections. So I looked it up, and just for testing, I just connected the two terminals together. So we're gonna try it, I guess. I gotta go hook up the battery and whatnot, but yeah. Plug in the battery. Let's make sure no smoke. I'm a little nervous because it's gonna go bad. Here's the keys. Probably help if I... Okay. Now let's press the reset button. Huh. Well, at least this works. You know, even though I don't smoke, but okay. I don't know, maybe this radio's just junk. Huh. That's a shame. Okay, well, I think the next thing to do is I'm going to start it for you. I know we have a cold start video, but I'm going to do it again just because. Battery's connected. There you guys have it.